Superheat is the world's most advanced on-site heat treatment provider, servicing the global energy, oil, gas and chemical markets. We've harnessed decades of experience and direct client feedback to develop the preeminent full-service process, Superheat SmartWay. Our SmartWay method combines emerging electrical resistance and induction heating technology with innovative software solutions to produce the most efficient and safe on-site heat treatment solution on the market. It all starts with our interactive, web-based quality assurance and project management platform, SmartView. You'll have everything at your disposal to collaborate and pre-plan with Superheat management. And once the project has commenced, you can make informed decisions on critical next steps. From your upload of heat treatment requests to real-time weld statuses, live heat cycle charts, and smart report downloads, it's all at your fingertips, with the integrity of the work ensured by our quality assurance department. Our state-of-the-art Smart Center becomes the knowledge and control hub of your entire heat treatment process. Our technical and engineering department supports field staff with reliable setup and teardown knowledge for all heat treatment configurations, while our control room operates equipment and, therefore, heat cycles via a patented remote operating service. This increases on-site labor productivity by up to 40%, resulting in major cost savings to your project's bottom line. From our Smart Pack, which works in conjunction with Smart Card to enhance diagnostics and minimize hazards via lockout capabilities at the Weld, to Smart Point and Smart Gen, which offer advanced high-zone control capacity in small footprint areas. From Magnamat, a reinvention of the traditional heat pad that uses magnet integration and offers time savings of up to 70%. To Smart Furnace, for specific maintenance and fabrication areas looking to control their heat treatment needs while still demanding immediate serviceability. And SmartLink, which brings to our arsenal digital local operation of Miller's ProHeat 35 induction line. You can rest assured your project will be dealing with the best equipment and operating practices in the on-site heat treatment industry. Better, safer, faster. Our SmartWay process improves quality, minimizes risks, saves time, and reduces cost. Superheat, advancing heat treatment for the digital marketplace. Contact us today to see how our SmartWay process can ensure success on your next project.